Hi guys, I wanted to walk you through our direct mail reporting. Assuming you've launched at least one direct mail campaign, to view the reporting, you could go to Reports, Direct Mail, and this is a summary report. Like our other reports, you can filter this report by date range. If you have multiple audiences, you can select a particular audience to filter by. If you have multiple campaigns, you can also filter by campaign. And if you have multiple creatives, you can filter by creative. And optionally, you can also filter by recipient city or state. Once you've made those settings, you can apply to apply those filters. If you'd like to add or remove fields, you can click the Fields button here. So if you wanted to group the report by state, you could select state. If you wanted to include creative, you could include creative, which will group it by creative and state. You can also group by date, city, and audience. Billable is the amount that you will be billed, and billed is the amount that you have been billed. There can be a discrepancy here because billing only occurs once a day, so your billable amount might be higher than your billed amount. At any point in time, if you want to, you can export this data by clicking Export, which will export the fields selected based on your filter criteria to a CSV file. If you wish to view and download the recipients of a direct mail campaign, you can navigate to Reports, Send Details. Like all other reports, you can filter this, in this particular case, by start date and end date. You can also filter by audience and campaign. You can add and remove fields. So if you want the customer's first name, you can add that field. You also have last name, address, address to, city, state, zip. If you want a copy of the PDF creative received, regardless of what kind of creative you're using, you can view this here. And if you want to know all the information about the recipient in terms of the pages they viewed, you can add the field called attributes. Once you've filtered the report, you also have the option to export this data to a CSV file by clicking the Export button. If there are any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, support@leadpost.com, or visit leadpost.zendesk.com.